Now it's going to do the same thing here. Okay. Now, here's what makes this a little harder because it pulled so much. We don't get to use the previous day, which is really easy because then I can go, oh, here and here and here and here and here, right? That would have been great. Now let's take these out. Now, if it does end up going upward, okay, look at your first level right here. This was low of day yesterday. So guess what's going to be a big major level of resistance today? See it? This one right here. Not this one necessarily, even though it will come into play later. Now this one is going to be my gold standard today because that was low of day yesterday. And this one will just be a normal level, just like it normally is. See it? Because right here, here, and here. Everybody catching this?